Welcome back to our channel, beautiful people. As you can see, it's FX Hub here with another Note the Post bonus, and today it's 100 Note the Post bonus. And I'm going to show you everything what you need to know in order to receive this type of Note the Post bonus, and also the terms and conditions involved in withdrawal of the profits that we are going to make from the Note the Post bonus. As you can see here, new client registering with the company. I'm going to reveal the company in just a few minutes, and if you guys like this type of content, can you just help me subscribe to our channel? It helps us a lot, and it's gonna help us grow our channel, and also gonna give us confidence to put more videos for you guys about the Know the Post bonuses. It's only take you a second to click the subscribe button and also to give this video a thumb up. So you can see, guys, this video is an admiral market video. So you can see I'm just going up here looking at the rates of the market here, guys. The admiral market is so high, meaning the broker is trustable. The broker is trusted by a lot of clients, guys. As you can see here, the welcome bonus is 100, still active, very much active, and I'm just going to go through with you guys, and maybe I'll give the link down in the video description or something, or maybe on the first comment. Just check in the description of first comment. I'll put the link somewhere there. Okay, guys, registering an account, complete verification, and get the bonus. Profit can be withdrawn, and there is no terms and condition here. But what we're gonna do right now, we are just going to click going straight to Admiral Market website, so we are going to understand what they are talking about in just few seconds. We are here on the website, guys. We are pretty much here on the website, and all they're asking right now is to sign up. But before we go further, the trustability of the website or the broker is down here. 1.385 reviews on Trustpilot with all these stars, probably 4.5 ratings, and that's very high and it's real, guys. So what I want to do here right now, I'm just going to sign up, guys, a live account, just to show you exactly, and I'm going to read for you the terms and conditions once I sign up, because that's the only important part of the video, the terms and conditions of the withdrawal of the Know the Post bonus, guys. I'm just gonna sign up a little bit faster, guys, and don't worry, I'll take you just there. Now that I've added my details, I'm just going to click on the sign up, guys, and see what you expect from them, guys. As you can see, in order to activate your account, please check your email inbox, follow the instruction that we send to you. Okay, let's go check our email. Now that I've added my details, I'm just going to click on the sign up, guys, and see what you expect from them, guys. As you can see, in order to activate your account, please check your email inbox, follow the instruction that we send to you. Okay, let's go check our email. As you can see, guys, the emails here, the Admiral Market emails here, I've just opened it, and they will tell you just to click on the verification email, verify email button here. And what you do once you click here, they will take you back to the website, and then you're gonna fill up few information and also try verify your account by providing the information that they're going to ask you. Just follow all the steps that are necessary and the steps that they're asking you right there on the website, guys. It's simple as such. You know how to verify all your accounts, guys, and it's faster than anything else. Let's just go there once I'm done uploading everything, then we'll continue. As you can see, guys, I'm done inserting on the information they have asked me. They only ask for information, then they ask you to provide your ID and also residential proof of address. Then my verification is pending, guys. And if I'm going to click on get the 10 Know the Post bonus right here on the website, or just click get started down here, and they will tell you that in order for you to get the Know the Post bonus, you have to pass this verification in order to participate in the campaign. The verification is the address verification, guys, and also the verification of your identity. So it's the weekend, guys, making this video. Probably it's gonna take a long. Today is Saturday, or maybe they're just going to verify me in Monday. But for you, it takes 1 to 30 minutes if you're gonna do it on a weekday. And don't worry, you're gonna get your Know the Post bonus, guys. It's very easy and it's very straightforward to receive this bonus, guys. And you can see the website is really a nice interface, and it's looking beautiful, very beautiful, guys. And if you have something that you haven't done, just continue application here, then it will take you here. As you can see, My email is verified, application created, and proof of identity under review, and also proof of address under review. And by add refund, you are just going to add refund. Add funds, I mean, when you receive the 100 no deposit bonus, guys. There's no deposit allowed here. There is nothing you're gonna do. Just gonna receive this and just keep. Let's start trading. There are a lot of things that we can do on this website too. As you can see, there's also a partner and also copy trading, guys, and it's really beautiful, and you just don't want to miss this type of opportunity on joining Admiral Markets, because they have everything set for you. Go to our Telegram channel for the terms and conditions, guys, on the link down in the video description.